Hey guys, Tyler here with Revered Beards, and in today's video, I want to talk about Honest Amish Beard Balm. Now, many moons ago, when I decided I want to grow out my beard for the first time, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know about products, what to buy, where to go, so I had to do a little bit of research. And one of the first companies that I came across was Honest Amish. And so I was reading on their website, and basically they say that, we're Amish. We've had beards for a lot longer than a lot of other people, so we know how to take care of them. So I said, that's good enough for me. I'll take your word for it. The products are 100% organic, pure. They use essential oils. They don't use any man-made synthetics, chemicals, none of that nasty stuff. And so their beard balm comes in a tin like this. And so once you open it, you will realize that it actually has a pretty soft consistency. There are some beard balms out there that are pretty hard that you have to scrape out with the back of your fingernail, and then you run it through your hands and it melts. But this has a pretty smooth consistency, just pretty much like a melted butter almost, that you can just bring some out on your finger just like that and rub it through your hands and then rub it through your beard. And so it dissolves very nicely, very evenly. And once you run it through your hands through your beard, I've never had any issues with it clumping up or getting caught or anything like that. And then after I'm done running it through my hands with my beard, or run my hands through my beard, I will run a beard comb through to help spread it out even more evenly. And so because it's a little bit softer, I don't think it holds as well as some other beard balms. But some of those other beard balms kind of tiptoe across the line into beard wax territory. But if you're talking about balms, I think this is more true to the balm name. It's just a lot more pliable and easier to use. And just helps your beard look better, because sometimes it just depends on your skin and your beard hair. It just looks a little dry, especially if you're running like a beard brush, a heated brush through it, or a heated comb. Your beard's going to look really dry and frail. And this can definitely help bring some life back into it and just make it look and feel better. And so I really like this beard balm. One of the first ones that I've used. I would definitely recommend you try it out. But the scent, I think some people really like it and other people really don't. And the people that don't like it say that it has like hints of licorice in it. And I think that might be the anise oil that they're smelling, because like I said, it's all 100% organic, uses essential oils. And there's a variety of oils in here. And it's a little bit more woodsy, but then you do have some sweet tones in there. And I don't really think it smells like licorice. I will just read you off some of the ingredients, some of the oils here. Lavender oil, cinnamon leaf oil, grapefruit oil, star anise oil, cedarwood oil, clove bud, and some carrier oils like jojoba oil or castor oil. But really all your smells are coming from those first oils that I mentioned. Honestly, I like the smell. It doesn't bother me, but I just know that some people, they just don't like it because it reminds them of licorice. So just keep that in mind whenever you're buying it. And one thing I do want to mention is that a little goes a long way. You don't need to scoop a whole handful of this stuff out and rub it through your hands, because then you will have a problem. You'll have to wash your whole beard out. And it's much better to start with a little bit, run it through. If you feel like, okay, beard still kind of looks dry, add a little bit more. The rule of thumb that a lot of people follow is a pea-sized. So you get about a pea-sized amount and then rub it through your hands. And then you can kind of experiment from there. Do you need less? Do you need more? And then see what works best for you. And so that's going to wrap up this video on Honest Amish Beard Balm. I like it. I like the smell. I like the texture. And so if you do want to check it out, I'll put links down in the description below. And if you want to read more articles about products we recommend, tutorials, tips, and tricks, visit our website, reveredbeards.com, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. We release videos every single week. Make sure you hit that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever we get uploaded. And make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. We are Revered Beards in both places. And so thank you guys again so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.